Supports and resistances are arguably the most commonly used tools when analysing a chart. They consist of lines drawn on a trading chart that represent key levels for a specific asset or cryptocurrency. My name is Josh, and today I will explain you all the ins and outs of supports and resistances. You might wonder, how does a key level affect the price of the cryptocurrency that I'm trading? Well, they are more important than you might think. Most of the time, support and resistances act as magnets for the price. Usually it tries to reach these levels, hover around them, and finally either break or reject them, only to head to another support or resistance. But how do we know which price levels can act as a support or resistance? Pivots and volume play an important role here. The main indicator that shows these levels are pivots. These are moments when the trend reverses and a new maximum or minimum is reached. Second, and no less important, the volume. The volume has the same role for supports and resistances as the foundations have for a house. If they are strong, they will be tough to break. When the volume behind a pivot is higher, this level will be harder to break. On the other hand, if the volume that backs the price level is very low, the price will continue its trend without even noticing that there was a support or resistance. To put all this into practice, we will now open the Bitcoin chart and put our knowledge to the test. First, we will open the volume indicator, so we will have a general idea of how strong our resistance or support will be. Next up, we will look at the pivot, which are the points where the price changes the direction of its trend. You can see them here and here. As you see at this pivot point, there is a big volume as well. If we put a straight line on the chart now, you see that this has been an important resistance level in the past, and could also be in the future. So next time the Bitcoin price will break this price level, chances are high that it will rise quickly to its next resistance level. After you have bought your asset because the price broke the resistance, you can automate the sell in CryptoHopper. You can easily set a stop loss here, a function that will sell the position after it dips a filled-in percentage, or create your own selling strategy here. From scalpers to position traders, these tools are vital for carrying out your strategies. Now, you can take supports and resistances into account when you are doing your next technical analysis and make even better decisions. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you've learnt a little and will grow into a better trader. Will you use supports and resistances in your next technical analysis? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.